1-inch wallet full review: features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the 1-inch wallet. Links to the product are included in the description below. In this video, I'll cover its features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right wallet for your needs. The 1-inch wallet is a non-custodial, multi-chain crypto wallet designed for seamless DeFi interactions. Built by the team behind the 1-inch decentralized exchange aggregator, it caters to users who prioritize efficient token swaps, DeFi connectivity, and managing diverse assets across multiple chains. It supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and other major networks, making it highly versatile. One standout feature is its integration with the 1-inch DEX aggregator, which allows users to access the best prices for token swaps across multiple decentralized exchanges. The wallet also supports gas fee optimization through its Chai Gas token, helping users reduce transaction costs during high network congestion. Secure private key management and seed phrase backup ensure full control over your assets. The wallet's in-app browser is another highlight, enabling direct interaction with DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and other dApps without leaving the app. This makes it perfect for users deeply engaged in decentralized finance. Additionally, 1-inch wallet provides multi-chain support, making it a great option for those managing assets on different blockchains. The strengths of the 1-inch wallet lie in its DEX aggregation capabilities, which deliver unmatched value for token swaps. Its gas optimization features and seamless dApp integration make it ideal for frequent DeFi users. The wallet's intuitive interface and robust multi-chain support enhance its appeal for both beginners and experienced users. However, the wallet has its weaknesses. It primarily focuses on token swapping and DeFi interactions, so it lacks some advanced portfolio tracking features found in other wallets. Additionally, as a software wallet, it doesn't offer the same level of security as hardware wallets, making it less suitable for storing large holdings. In summary, the 1-inch wallet is an excellent tool for DeFi enthusiasts who want to optimize their token swaps and manage multi-chain assets conveniently. Check the links in the description to learn more and explore if the 1-inch wallet aligns with your crypto needs.